Hey there. I wanted to make sure that you haven't missed any of the notifications about my Declutter Power Hour, which is coming up next week on Monday, August 22nd. So if you haven't registered yet, you'll need to do that before Saturday. Let me tell you a little bit more about what a Declutter Power Hour is. And did I mention there's no charge for this event? In one focused hour on Zoom, you can take any small task that you've been putting off, decluttering, organizing, productivity, anything at all. I can support you with procrastination, decluttering, organizing, productivity, mindfulness, and eliminating negative self talk. If you don't believe that anything can be accomplished in 1 hour, here are just a few things that attendees of last month's Power Hour accomplished. One person completed a professional certification that she had been putting off for 6 months. One person got a very good start on decluttering and demousing a pantry. She had a bit left to do. And one person completed a tax document that she had been putting off. And another person got started on sorting through and recycling paperwork. So, if you've got a project like that you've been procrastinating, join us at 4 Mountain Time, 6 Eastern Standard Time on Monday, August 22nd for, you guessed it, 1 hour, one power hour of decluttering, organizing, or getting rid of anything that's on your to do list that you really, really just want to be done with.